Xtreme Technology. Insulated lid and extra wall insulation keep ice up to 5 days in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit. High capacity. Holds up to 84 cans. Heavy-duty wheels. Effortless rolling over any terrain. Have a seat lid. Closed lid supports up to 250 pounds. Cup holders. Molded into the lid to keep drinks close and prevent spilling. Telescoping handle. For easy pulling and compact storage. Top reviews from the United States. It works with the right ice packs. You are probably here because you want a 5-day cooler. But does this work for 5 days as advertised? The short answer. It depends on the type of ice packs you have and if you can keep the cooler in the shade. The first time I went camping with this it was 90 degrees, it wasn't always in the shade and I didn't have good ice packs. Reusing Hello Fresh ice packs and packing in loose ice just didn't cut it. So things were cold for 3 days and cool for the 4th day. By the 5th day all the ice had melted and it wasn't very cool at all. However, I assumed this had to be a user error and poor ice pack situation. The second time I took this out for 4 days of camping I had upgraded my ice packs with 2 Cooler Shock 18 degree F. Hard packs. Wow, what a difference. I also kept the cooler in the shade the whole time. Everything was still cold and the ice pack on the bottom still had white frost on the outside of it. So get the right ice packs, keep it in the shade and it works. I have no doubt things would have been cold for another day if the trip lasted longer. Additionally, one of those campsites was a carry-in with no carts provided. So I trucked this bad boy into the forest with me for a half-mile each way and the wheels totally held up. Highly recommend.